All right, Jordan has remediated the database issue and even validated the results with Grok Guru in Slack. Awesome. But what if Jordan wants or needs to go deeper? This is where Grok's related info section really shines. You can almost think of the related info section as the command center for context. For every detection, Grok automatically pulls in a rich set of related data, all in one place, one click away. No hunting or bouncing around, it's all right here. First up, related events. Remember, these aren't the events Grok clustered automatically into the detection. These are additional signals that might be connected. Jordan can scan through them, validate what's happening, and even uncover extra clues. And here's the really cool part. Jordan can select an arbitrary subset of these events, right-click, and add them into the detection. We call this an operator override. And it's not just handy, it's actually teaching Grok. Every time Jordan does this, Grok gets a little smarter. This is another example of supervised reinforced learning at work, shaping future correlations to match how the GFS team thinks about incidents. Next, Jordan checks the related incidents. Grok automatically links past incidents that look like this one, so Jordan instantly sees whether this issue has happened before, how it was handled, and if it's becoming a recurring theme. Then there's related changes. Grok surfaces any relevant changes, helping Jordan answer that one question that comes up in every war room. What changed? And when? In a financial services environment, change equals risk. By putting that context right in front of Jordan, Grok saves hours of ticket chasing and back and forth with other teams. Right next to that, related problems. If there's a known or recurring issue tied to this detection, Grok flags it right here, giving Jordan a shortcut to the root cause. Topology comes next, and this one deserves a quick note. As we've mentioned before, Grok doesn't need topology to do its job. That's important, because let's face it, in a lot of IT environments, topology data can be hard to get or flat out unreliable, and that becomes a blocker for inferior approaches to AI ops. Grok's machine learning, on the other hand, was designed specifically to not rely on topology information, correlates and classifies without it. But when topology is available and accurate, Grok brings it in contextually so Jordan can see the bigger picture, which systems are connected and what might be downstream. The config tab shows recent configuration changes to the correlated systems. So if something drifted or got misconfigured, Jordan can spot it here. No digging through logs required. And finally, runbooks and KBs. Grok automatically surfaces the right runbooks, knowledge base articles, and playbooks, so the next steps are always clear. This is where tribal knowledge becomes operational knowledge. And in the spirit of shift left, a newer analyst like Jordan can work like a seasoned veteran, and the experts on the team can stay focused on the truly tough problems instead of re-answering the same questions over and over. Okay, quick recap. The related info section is Grok's way of connecting all the dots. Events, incidents, changes, problems, topology, configs, runbooks, everything Jordan might need is here without all the clutter. And here's the key. The UI is designed so all of this stays out of the way when it's not needed, and it's instantly available the moment it is. That balance keeps Jordan in the flow with the context to understand, the confidence to decide, and the clarity to act.